don't know what I'm doing.
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
Hey guys, we at ET Style got our hands on the new KKW Mrs. West collection before it even drops.
And I'm losing my KKW Beauty virginity today.
I am just so excited because there is nothing I love more than a sneak peek. Actually, take that back. I love free stuff and I also love sneak peeks, so this is right up my alley. Oh wow, packaging queen.
Wow, it's so pretty.
I'm gagged and gooped. Kim really slayed this packaging.
Okay, so we have eyeshadow palette here, lip gloss here, lip liner, lipstick, and what I believe is the highlighters. Let me just double check. Ooh, we've got some blush, and we've got the highlighter.
I already know this is the highlighter, am I right? Yes, the Forever highlighter. Let me tell you, there is nothing that makes me happier than a good highlighter, and this already looks so pretty.
I'm gonna try the Forever highlighter. I'm so excited for this one.
I am so excited to put this all over my face, my body. Oof, I'm so excited to use it.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Wait, I really need to get in here. I'm excited.
You see that right there? You see that right there?
Ooh. Oh. This is literally making me feel rich.
Wow, I'm like a human light bulb.
Oof, we're gonna go down the bridge of the nose.
I'm gonna put some on my nose.
And just do like down my nose.
We're gonna do the tip of my nose.
Look like Rudolph right here.
I'm gonna just do my lip, like right up on my little cupid's bow too.
A little bit above my lip.
I feel like I look skinny already, just like my cheekbones. Whoa, where are they coming from?
Wow. Is it too much?
Are you guys dead?
Look at that glow.
I'm really enjoying this highlighter. Oh my god.
She's a glow getter over here.
You guys, I'm sorry. I just saw what I look like on screen and I'm gagged at myself. I'm beautiful. I'm actually beautiful. Wow. Are you kidding? Look.
So now I feel like I could use a little bit of color on my face, and I'm gonna try the blush.
I watch you, Kylie. I've watched Kylie do her blush, so I know what I'm doing. I am no amateur. Even gonna, ooh, that's a beauty guru move. Are y'all shaking? Because that was pretty good.
So I'm going to dab a little bit of the blush. This is the Flower Wall blush.
But granted, I'm already a little pink, so I don't have to go too crazy. But Kylie always does, like, she does apples over cheeks, so let's start there. Oh, that's fun.
I can't see it.
Oh, I'm embarrassed. That's kind of like the vibe. I'm like, oh.
It's really soft, which I think is what Kim was going for with this.
Let's build it up here. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, see, I like this.
The girls nowadays, they also bring the blush like up into their nose.
I just love blush and I just put it like all over my face.
So like, let's do that too. Why not?
Because it's not too much. One thing that really bugs me about, help me, I don't know how to put blush on.
They almost treat it like bronzer, the girls nowadays, like the Instagram girls. So like, let's do that too, because I don't have a mind of my own. I have to do whatever the other girls tell me to do.
Just a little moderation, right?
But this is like a little bit more naturally looking, and I feel like this is just the shade I would get if like a boy came by and I, spilled an ice cream cone on the beach.
I think you would get that soft pink color that I think this blush was designed for. I just did it wrong.
I'm living the summer fantasy, don't clock me. But that's kind of like the vibe I would get if I was just like, oh, I'm embarrassed. Like, oh, I'm so shy. Like, that's kind of the color I would naturally get. So I think that's fun.
We've got a liner, a lipstick, and a gloss.
The lip pencil. And what color is this? Let's see.
Love, how fitting, because I love it.
Oh my God. You guys, it's made of Woodland Hills. That's my hometown. Wow, Kim. Hometown girls. How fun is that? I'm really excited about that. Wow, I can't wait to tell my mom.
I've put on maybe a centimeter's worth of this lip liner already, and I feel like it's a lot more brown than it is this pink, which I like.
Oh, it's actually not, okay. Oh, wow, so it's a lot darker than I was expecting. But that's obviously because KKW knows the trick to get those filler-looking lips. You gotta overline, sis, and you gotta get that good definition and shadow.
I have been loving a dark liner.
I'm wondering if once I put the lipstick on and the gloss, if it'll appear more pink. Wow, that is not how you put lip liner on, people.
So that actually is really nice, and this would complement really, really well.
Very smooth. very smooth application of the lip liner.
So I think if you like built out and outlined your lip,
Just one time through.
and then went in with the lipstick, and then just topped it off with a little bit of gloss, girl, you'd be good to go. Like, you would have a look. That's for damn sure.
Wow, obsessed. Okay, now I'm going to put the lipstick on the liner.
This is the shade Love. Okay, straight to the point. Let's swatch this girl right here. Ooh,
Here's the pink vibes.
this color is so nice.
Wow.
The formula feels nice too. Granted, what the hell do I know? But from my own experience, it's really nice.
Here is the lip gloss. It is called Soulmate. I'm still trying to find mine in the form of a human, but I think I found it in the form of a lip gloss. This I love.
So this obviously goes really well with the gloss. It's pretty much the same shade.
I'm gonna put the gloss on before I blend it.
Dare I put just a pop? Why not? Let's just put just a pop, you guys. It's just us girls. Why not? Oh, that's nice.
Oh wow, it's really pretty.
I hope I find a man to kiss. At this point, not likely, especially right now. But you know what? That's okay, because I feel good. I feel really good.
You guys, I'm obsessed. Wow.
All right, next let's go into this eyeshadow gig. Like I said, do I wear eyeshadow? No.
Wow. Okay, first glance at the eyeshadow palette. Wow.
But I have seen every tutorial here, there, and everywhere, and seen all those gurus do their little eyeshadow reviews. So you know you can trust me when it comes to clocking a good palette.
These hues look perfect for my eyes.
So we got two metallics in here. We kind of have this like champagne and this kind of mauve color.
And that is the Please Marry Me color, which is kind of this yellowy tone, and then also the Mrs. West.
That are both metallics.
And I feel like these could double as highlighters as well as eyeshadows.
And then the rest are mattes.
I'm not crazy about this yellow color, but I think this is here for a reason.
And you have two nudie pink mattes and two brown tan mattes.
So this really pretty pink color in the middle, which is called Etched in Stone, is like that light pink matte color.
Okay, the pink comes out a little sheer, I'm not gonna lie.
Not gonna lie, this pink looks a little white on my eyelid.
So the fact that it's swatching a little bit sheer makes me a little nervous for y'all, just because it's probably gonna need a lot of buildup on your actual lid.
I'm gonna try the Mrs. West on my eye.
Let's go into this metallic next.
Okay, this is better. A little bit more shimmer.
Oh wait, that's also really sheer. What the heck?
Still really, 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 really light.
Okay, that's pretty though. That's actually really pretty.
And then this bottom left color that kind of looks like it could double as a blush is called Field of Dreams.
Yeah, that's pretty. That's really pretty. I really enjoyed that. Again, would I wear this myself? No, but if you were to wear it, sis, I would compliment you and say, wow, I love that shade on your eyelid.
Then this brown color in the middle is May 24th, which is, of course, Kim and Kanye's anniversary.
I don't know. It's swatching a little meh.
I guess I could use a little bit of the brown to kind of tie it all together. I mean, when we talk about a natural look, I mean, this is as natural as you could get.
And there's a lot of just nude palettes out there in general right now, so the competition's a little stiff when it comes to a nude palette, but it's not bad. Like, you could still definitely build it up and get a full, complete look out of it, but it's not my favorite. It's not swatching too great.
It's like nothing there.
But let's try the deeper shade of brown next to it.
I feel like because this color is so dark, I feel like it doesn't go with the natural soft pink look of everything else, which is why I'm gonna hold off on it.
Okay, see, this is so much better. Like this one, she's struggling a little bit. You gotta build her up, you gotta do some work, but this one, just like one swatch, it's real nice.
Damn, Kim K, you did good. You too, Mario. Shout out to Mario.
Kim, let me tell you something. I am feeling the Mrs. West fantasy, but if I don't get my own Kanye after wearing these products, I'm gonna have a problem. I need a man. I need a man, Kim. So please, help me get that next.
Kim, Mario, just take my money. Take it. Take it all. Where's my wallet? Take all my money.
But overall, I'm feeling the fantasy. I'm feeling the fantasy.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out ET Style for the latest in fashion and beauty. I'm gonna continue playing with my makeup.